Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to collect meaningful customer feedback, Typeform is a great tool. Today, I'll show you how to set up and use Typeform for gathering feedback easily. Let's dive in. 1. Set up your Typeform account. Sign up for a free Typeform account or upgrade for more features. 2. Choose or create a form. Use a template or start from scratch to create your feedback form. 3. Design your form. Add questions like multiple choice, ratings, or text answers. Use logic jumps for personalized questions. 4. Customize the look. Personalize your form's design with your branding, logo, colors, and fonts. Set notifications. Enable email notifications to alert you when a form is submitted and add a thank you message. 6. Share your form. Share the form through a link, QR code, or embed it on your website. Analyze responses. View real-time responses in Typeform's dashboard or export data to analyze. 8. Act on feedback. Use the insights to improve your services and show customers their feedback matters. That's it. Typeform helps you gather valuable insights to enhance customer experience. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.